Welcome to Hustle to Millions, your go-to source for financial growth and side hustle ideas. Are you looking to make extra cash but don't have money to invest up front? No problem. Today we're diving into 5 side hustles you can start right now with zero money. These hustles require no upfront cost, no expensive equipment, just your time, effort, and a little creativity. Let's jump in. First on the list, freelancing. If you have a skill, you can sell it online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services like graphic design, writing and blogging, video editing, social media management, virtual assistants, and even voiceovers. Even if you don't have experience, you can learn quickly using free tools like Canva for design, ChatGPT for writing, and CapCut for video editing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start making money today. Potential earnings. Anywhere from $10 to $100 per gig, or even more as you gain experience. Next up, online tutoring. If you're good at math, English, science, coding, or even a foreign language, you can teach others and get paid for it. Websites like Preply, TutorMe, and StudyPool connect tutors with students worldwide. You don't always need a teaching degree, just expertise in a subject people need help with. And with Zoom and Google Meet, you don't even need special software. Just start tutoring and start earning. Potential earnings, $15 to $50 per hour or more, depending on your subject and experience. Now let's talk passive income with print on demand. This side hustle allows you to create and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory or shipping. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printify do all the work for you. Here's how it works. Use Canva to create simple designs with quotes, artwork, or graphics. Upload them to a print-on-demand site. When someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. No upfront cost, no storage, no risk. Potential earnings, $5 to $50 per sale, depending on pricing and demand. Up next, social media management. Businesses are constantly looking for someone to manage their Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok accounts. If you know how to create posts, write captions, or grow a page, you can start offering social media management services today. Many small businesses, influencers, and even real estate agents will pay you to help with content creation and engagement. You can use free tools like Canva for graphics, CapCut for video editing, and ChatGPT for captions to make your work even easier. Potential earnings, $500 to $3,000 per month per client, depending on your experience and workload. Last but not least, flipping free items for profit. People give away valuable things every day on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and OfferUp. Here's how you can turn free items into cash. Find furniture, electronics, or collectibles that people are giving away. Clean, fix, or slightly improve them. List them for sale on the same platforms for pure profit. This works great with small furniture, sneakers, and even old electronics. Potential earnings, $50 to $500 per flip, depending on what you sell. And there you have it, 5 side hustles you can start right now with zero money. To recap, freelancing, sell your skills online tutoring, teach what you know, print on demand, create and sell custom products, social media management, get paid to grow accounts. Flipping items, turn free stuff into cash. Which side hustle will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you want more side hustle ideas, money-making tips, and investing strategies, don't forget to subscribe to Hustle to Millions and turn on notifications. Your financial freedom starts today.